Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. And here today we're going to be looking at Epic Games. This is going to be a video regarding Epic Games. So what is Epic Games? So just like Steam, Epic Games is another application that from where you can buy games. Right now you can see a summer sale is going on. Yeah, there's a summer sale going on. So games, there's a lot of discounts, like Sifu has a 20% discount, Salt and Sacrifice, Horizon Dawn has a 50% discount, your Red Dead Redemption, GTA. So what am I going? I'm moving off topic. So the main topic is Epic Games. Now what is Epic Games? Epic Games is another first-party application from where you can buy games, such as you can also pre-purchase games. As you can see, Madden 23 is available for pre-purchase, as well as I believe Spider-Man should be here as well for okay, seems like they removed Spider-Man for some reason, not really sure why. Oh, it's right here. I maybe I wrote the wrong item, but yeah, as you can see, Spider-Man is also over here. So if you want to use Epic Games, you can use Epic Games. And the best part about Epic Games is every week they give out a free game. Every week. So if you want free games every week, you can get them. So for example, I got Fall Guys for free. I'm just gonna show you a few games that I got for free. I got Among Us for free, Alien Isolation for free, Fall Guys, GTA, all these for free. I even got Ark Survival for free, Borderlands, all of them, Blair Witch Project. So, and I'm just trying to say, Epic Games is a very good launcher. If you want, use it. It is quite good. Alright, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.